So now to show you what's inside this heat kit, I'm going to open it up so we can all have a good look inside. Already there's something I don't like. There's a screw missing, so let's open the other one. Alright, that's one. There's another one missing, so that's already two screws missing. That's not nice. Alright, here we go. Let's see. This is the inside of the cover I just removed. And this is what's inside the kit. Let me show you from close up. Let me put it down, and it will be a little bit easier. Alright. Well, this is a little bit unexpected. The device is full of integrated circuits. If I can get it to focus correctly. There you go. So it's full of integrated circuits and a lot of wiring and wafer buttons and potentiometers and a tuner button, or rather a tuner capacitor. It also has a transformer, and I had already a peek at the schematic of this kit, and I noticed that the schematic says you can wire it to work on 220. So maybe that's what I'll do, or maybe I'll build in a switch which allows me to switch the device between 110 and 220. I'm still out about that, but we'll see. I also notice a crystal which is probably used for the time base. I also see a few transistors and a few electrolytics and a couple of 5 watt 11 ohm resistors, and I see 2 more crystals here. Aha! So there are several time bases built into this function generator. Interesting. So yeah, there you go. 3 obvious electrolytics and a few smaller capacitors. So maybe I'll have to change those. I don't know yet, but we'll see. There's also a fuse inside, but seen from here the fuse looks okay, but I haven't measured it yet. Alright, now for the underside of this function generator. here we go. These are the wires, by the way. So, alright, here we have, on this side we have 2 screws. That's a good sign. I hope you can see it. Not quite. Now you can. Alright, here we go. Right, that's one side. Alright, here we still have 2 screws, so that's a good thing. So, let's open it up. Right, well, this is a first, so let's see what's underneath. It's a bit sticky, but it opens up. Oh ho! And this is the inside of the kit. Well, of the cover. Rough paint job. And this is the inside of it. Or rather, the underside. Let's have a look. Well, first thing I notice is this. I don't like this, you know. Might be an error at the factory that they didn't design soldering holes to solder in this resistor. Yellow, orange, brown. It might be something like 330 ohms. Don't know by heart, but I think it must be close to that. The soldering job is, well, is reasonable. Not too clean though. The one who built this obviously wasn't too particular about how it looked. They even managed to burn the wire a little bit, to singe the wire for the pilot light here. He singed the wire, so that's a bit sloppy, but all in all it's okay. I don't see any obvious damage. The soldering points are not too clean, but nothing spectacular. Right, so this concludes our first look at this function generator, Heathkit IG-28. Come back to see me change the capacitors and clean it, and then give it a power up just to see if anything explodes or not. And I might even rewire it to work on 220, or maybe even build in a button that switches between 2 modes. Well, that's it, guys. Your first look at the internals of a Heathkit IG-28 function generator. See you next time.